giving me more. So much better than ever before.
Happiest birthday, good luck to your endeavors, and welcome to Legality!
Join me in welcoming our lovely, charming, and very beautiful debutante, our dazzling and lovely debutante this afternoon, Miss Liana Diaz Aquino.
Throw 'em to the sky when I feel it drop. Hands up, cause the heat is hot and I can't stop. Hands up, it's so good. Oh, I feel it, it's so good. I can't stop, it's so good.
Yung present profession niya maging successful, love you.
Wanna throw my hands up, hands up, hands up. I got a feeling that makes me wanna throw my hands up. Throw my hands up.
Sleep, my darling, close your eyes. I'll hold you till the morning comes. Leave your world.
Look back where you came from. Be grateful to them. Be grateful to those who have helped you realize your dreams.
I'll be your hideaway, somewhere you can escape, a shelter where you'll be safe.
Susuportahan ko kayo, susuportahan ko si mama at saka si papa habang ako pa ay nabubuhay.
Catch your breath, come on and lay your head down next to mine.
Wish you all the best and just enjoy your life. At kahit lagi kitang inaaway and inaagawan ng pagkain, always remember that I will be always here by your side and I love you.
I'll be your hideaway, somewhere you can escape.
May bless her in every endeavor she'll take and every ambition she likes to achieve. May the Lord God bless her always through the intercession of the Blessed Virgin Mary.
God bless you richly and continue striving your goals in life.
Always be smart and always be appealing to everyone. God bless you, and the three words that will best describe her is stunning, smart, and pretty.